It's okay to fake.
Matapos ang masaklap na back-to-back losses kina Bradley at Marquez noong 2012, marami ang nagsabing dapat na magretiro na daw si Pacquiao dahil kapansin-pansin na nawala na ang kanyang killer instinct. Nais patunayan ni Pacman na hindi pa kupas ang kanyang kinang, kaya't agad na nagbalik sa drawing board para hasain ang pumurol na sandata. Makalipas ang halos isang taon, sumampang muli si Pacquiao, kargado ang nag-aapoy na bangis at determinasyon na ibalik muli ang namansahang karangalan. Manny Pacquiao versus Brandon Rios. Dito masasagot ang tanong kung tapos na nga ba ang karera ng pinakasikat na Pinoy boxer.
Do we have the end or the rebirth of an era?
Agad na nawala ang agam-agam ng mga kritiko nang pakainin ng sandamukal na kamao si Brandon Rios.
That punch was right on the belt.
Traditionally take a few rounds to get going, and Rios is more skillful as it went on little by little. It remains dangerous, at least looking.
Ginawang punching bag ni Pacquiao ang kalaban sa loob ng 36 na minuto. Pinuhusan ng malamig na tubig ang pangarap ng maangas na Mexicano na pagretiruhin na si Pacquiao. Bukol-bukol nga ang muka at paiyak-iyak pa si Rios na hindi matanggap ang ginawa sa kanya ni Pacquiao.
5 months.
Patikim lamang ito dahil ang totoong pakay ay bawiin ang pagkatalo sa kamay ni Tim Bradley.
If you don't knock me out, Manny, you're not gonna win.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right.
Actually, my plan this fight is to throw a lot of punches.
April 12, 2014, ang petsa ng pagtutuos at pagbawi ni Pacquiao sa karangalang inagaw ni Bradley. Kakaibang ensayo at paghahanda sa pangakong panalo para mas lalong lumakas sa muling paghaharap kay Bradley. Napansin ng mga bukis ang nag-aalab na determinasyon ni Pacquiao at hinirang na liyamado sa laban. Pero aktibo sa ring si Bradley at kumamada na ng 2 panalo. Kahit na nagulpi, naipanalo pa din ni Bradley ang laban via close unanimous decision kontra kay Ruslan Provodnikov.
Little lateral foot movements keeping Bradley out of trouble here. But now he gets rocked.
And still, WBO.
Mainit naman ang naging pukpukan ni na Bradley at Marquez kung saan nadipensang muli ni Desert Storm ang kanyang WBO welterweight crown via 12-round split decision.
And still, WBO welterweight champion of the world.
Pero kahit nahawak ang undefeated momentum, binaliwala ng mga analyst na galing sa 2 magkasunod na panalo si Bradley. Panoorin natin kung paanong binawi ni Pacman ang karangalan sa kamay ni Timothy Desert Storm Bradley. Ito ang full fight highlights mga idol with commentary. Bakbakang na Timothy Bradley versus Manny Pacquiao Part 2. Referee natin si Kenny Bayless. Round 1. Early start for Manny Pacquiao, throwing that left and right hook. And then left straight, pero itong si Bradley trying to counter. There you go, that was a great straight coming from Bradley. Pacquiao missing with those combination. Bradley, mukhang bumabawi siya rito sa round number 1. Okay, Bradley's actually winning this round for me. Round number 2. Pacquiao trying to get close. And those combinations. Nahirapan na rito si Bradley trying to counter ala Juan Manuel Marquez, but a good combination landed by Manny Pacquiao. And there you go. It looks like this is a very good round for Pacquiao, connecting with those punches. At itong si Bradley wildly missing with those shots. Pacquiao punching first. Oh, that was a good right straight, but it looks like medyo na out of balance doon si Bradley. Final seconds. Round 3. Oh, there's another combination. 2-1 from Pacquiao. At ito, tumatrabaho na dito si Pacquiao. Short combination. And dito nakukuha na ni Pacquiao yung style, yung leverage na ginagawa niya rito with this combination. That's catching Timothy Bradley. And those are stunning combination. Dito Bradley doesn't know what to do now. Round number 4. Bradley starting early, but Pacquiao answering. Ang bilis pa rin ang kamay dito ni Pacquiao. Combination from Bradley. Gustong subukin talaga dito ni Bradley yung Juan Manuel Marquez na atake, ano? Tumama doon yung kanan ni Bradley. And then another one that stunned Pacquiao. This is a better round for Bradley. Ang ganda ng ginagawa rito. And that right hand is constantly landing from Bradley. End of the round. Round 5. Ito napapansin natin dito, no? Bradley, pag tunog ng bell, pasimula, umaatake na siya agad. But Manny Pacquiao, kikita natin yung footwork, very awkward. Nandoon pa rin yung bounce ni Pacquiao, connecting with those punches. Still Bradley, umaatake dito, pasalubong mga idol. And there's a great footwork by Pacquiao after landing that punch. Patama na naman dito si Pacquiao. End of the round. Round 6. A combination. Bradley wanted to get back to Pacquiao. And I think napapansin natin itong si Bradley is trying to counter yung mga atake ni Pacquiao. But Pacquiao, wise enough, mabilis yung kanyang footwork to avoid those attacks. Yung mga counter-punching na yon mula kay Team Bradley.
Already it's such a different fight from their kind of fight.
Combination coming from Pacquiao sa ropes. Muntik na lumabas dito si Bradley. Round 7. Bradley wildly missing with those shots. Heavy combination from Pacquiao. Tumama na naman yung kanyang kaliwa. And right now, Bradley wanted to fight toe-to-toe. He thinks na kaya niya yung mga suntok ni Pacquiao. And then at the same time, he thinks na mapapabagsak niya si Pacquiao in case na tumama at chumamba yung kanyang combination. But Pacquiao putting it on, lighting up Timothy Bradley dito sa lubid. Bradley egging on. Good combination from Pacquiao. Stunned Bradley. Bradley sinusubukan. Round number 8 at pala tayo dito mga idol. So far, an official scorecard nila namang si Pacquiao 67-66. Close fight. But right now, Pacquiao landing first with that straight left. And Bradley doesn't have any defense dun sa straight left na yun from Pacquiao. Dito, nabawasan yung mga aksyon and you can hear the people, yung crowd dun sa background. Puporito. Bradley trying to lure Pacquiao coming in, but Pacquiao is very wise. Maingat na siya dito dahil baka mahirap na machambahan siya rito. It looks like dito sa round number 9, medyo pagod na rin itong si Team Bradley, but Pacquiao racking on points. Nakuha niya unofficial scorecards yung tatlong magkakasunod na rounds na yon. Oops, outbalance lang mga idol. Bradley looking very tired now, and it looks like Bradley cannot keep up anymore with the footwork and assault nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Combination again. Pacquiao, you can easily see na mas mabilis pa rin yung mga patapon nito ni Manny Pacquiao as we go down to the final seconds of round number 9. Good round. Round number 10. Bradley ito umaatake rito, trying to close in sa distance para pumasok yung kanyang combination. Good counter, but there was an overhand left. That was strong jab from Pacquiao. Hirap na hirap pa din dito si Bradley na makuha yung tamang distance because Manny Pacquiao, ang ganda ng kanyang half step back and then throwing counters. Chopping right hand from Timothy Bradley, medyo pasampal. And Bradley, it looks like he's very tired right now. Wala nang kanyang balanse. As we go down to round number 11, Bradley looking very tired dahil yun sa mga combinations na tinatapon ni Pacquiao at napilitan siyang yumakap doon. Nakatama na naman doon si Pacquiao. Looks like Bradley right now is running. Alam niya, hindi na siya what a straight left from Pacquiao. Talagang pumupuntos-puntos na dito si Pacquiao. Nahirapan na dito sa mabay si Bradley. As we go down to the final